In today's video, we are going to be answering some of your questions. Yes, we're going to be answering some of your questions that I've been getting from my comment section and from Instagram. I received a ton of questions from you guys concerning how to correctly use the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA peeling solution, and also how to layer it with your other ordinary skincare products or other skincare products that you have. So without any further answers, let's get right into this video.
Is as normal, missing someone and missing someone.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber and a hairstylist based in Accra, Ghana. I post beauty, hair and lifestyle videos here on my channel, so if that's something you're interested in, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss any of my weekly uploads. If you're not following me on Instagram, please consider connecting with me on Instagram too. I post so much that you will not see here on YouTube on Instagram. Personally, this product is a staple in my skincare routine. If you don't know, this product is a 10-minute exfoliating facial from The Ordinary, and it's supposedly a dupe for the Drunk Elephant's baby facial. I'm going to discuss with you exactly how to use exfoliants such as The Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution to get the most effective results while protecting your skin. So the main goal of exfoliants is to aid and accelerate the removal of the dead layer of the outer parts of the skin. So the first thing you need to do is to start off with clean skin. Wash your hands and face thoroughly, and for this I'll be using organic black soap. The organic black soap that I'm going to be using is from the Black Soap Shop. I'm going to leave a link to where I got this product in my description. So if you're interested in trying some liquid black soap, I highly recommend this brand. But any other mild cleanser that you have would suffice for this. Please avoid using face washes that contain toners, any form of acids, microbeads, or exfoliating granules. Once your skin is well cleansed, pat dry, and then now your skin is ready to receive the peel. The Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution comes with a dropper applicator. You can use this dropper applicator, but I would advise that you do not let the applicator touch your skin and then put it back into the bottle, because you might be introducing some kind of bacteria which you're not aware of. This is just a precautionary measure. So if you're not really certain about using the dropper, you can also place the product directly into your clean palms and then massage it gently onto your skin. If you are a first time user of this product, you would feel a slight tingling feel. It's not unbearable. After continuous use of this product, that feeling is no longer noticeable. To make the feeling a little more bearable, what I like to do, or what I used to do, was to constantly gently massage the product into my skin continuously until I don't feel the tingling sensation anymore. Any excess product that is left, you can go on and apply that onto your neck.
You can beat the slow decay.
The next step is to set a timer for 10 minutes. Please guys, remember, just 10 minutes, not 11, not 12, not 15. 10 minutes. So my time is almost up. Let me quickly rinse this off and then come back. Unless advised by a medical practitioner, an esthetician, or a dermatologist, I suggest that you follow manufacturer's guidelines and only leave this product on your skin for 10 minutes. Now you can go in with your daily moisturizer, anything mild and gentle on the skin. Please remember guys, after rinsing off this product, do not apply any toners, serums, or any acne treatment products on your skin, as this could potentially burn your skin. The reason for this is that the outer layer of your skin has been removed. The exposed layer of your skin is much more sensitive and so much more prone to irritation. It's even advised that you limit the use of this product to the PM as directed on the bottle. But if you do end up using this product during the day, please remember to go in with your sunscreen or sunblock at a high SPF.
Right. Read between the lines, it doesn't really matter. All that we possess is time. You know it's funny how you keep running away from.
To make sure you don't have any allergies or reactions to this product, I highly suggest that you first of all patch test. If you don't know how to patch test, well, place a small amount of this product at the back of your ear, since this is presumed to be a sensitive part of your skin which can replicate sensitive skin. If you do not see any reactions on these parts of your body after 24 hours, then you can go ahead and use this product. The reason we are patch testing is to make sure that this product is not harmful for your skin, because administered to the wrong kind of skin, this product can either cause burn, irritation, or some other form or discomfort, which we definitely don't want.
Baby, there is only one way, and that's the slow decay. Get a little earthy with me, I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah, you can beat the slow decay.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video up until this point. I genuinely hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please comment down below letting me know. This helps me to know how helpful the content I'm creating is. And also comment down below any other products that you would like me to review here on this channel, and I'll be more than happy to do so. Don't forget to support this channel on Patreon. The link will be in the description box down below. I'd like to say a huge thank you to ZOHAROUS for sponsoring today's video with this beautiful African print dress. This is how it looks. I'll also leave a link to her website down below in the description box. Thank you so much, and I'll definitely see you in my next upload next week. Bye!